Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add hyperlinks on LinkedIn post. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your LinkedIn in your web browser. So you need to open a web browser of your preference and tap open your LinkedIn profile right over there. So once you have done this, you need to now simply tap on your start a post option where you need to select write article. So once you have selected the option called write article, you will be redirected to this kind of interface. So once you're here, all you got to do is simply type in anything you want to type. And once you have typed it in, you can find an option called link right over there. So you can find a chain-like option right on the above screen. So that is the option for link. You need to simply tap on it. And once you have tapped on it, you will be able to add a link in your article or your text. So this is supposed to be your hyperlink, and this is how you can simply add a hyperlinks on LinkedIn post. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.